Nobody likes a pest, and an invasive species known for destroying grapes and peaches and timber and other commercial crops has been confirmed in Newcastle County. It's the spotted lanternfly. It's not native to North America, but it was found in Pennsylvania in 2014.
Yeah, and people started finding it in Delaware just last year. Ag officials say this insect is detrimental and you can help stop its further spread. Here's Delmarva Life's Katie Zarilli.
A little insect that could wreak so much havoc. This is the spotted lanternfly. It's not from here, and we don't want it here.
It's an invasive insect. It's not native to North America. It's originally from China. It got moved here through trade sometime before 2014. In 2014, Pennsylvania found it. They discovered this insect, knew that it didn't belong here. Unfortunately, it turned out to be a really big pest of grapes, but also other fruit trees like peaches and apples.
Stephen House, who is the CAPS coordinator for the Delaware Department of Agriculture, calls it a piercing, sucking insect. It uses its mouth as a syringe and pierces the soft part of a plant and then sucks the juices out.
So if enough spotted lanternfly get on a plant and suck out enough juice, then the plant could become weakened. It affects fruit development. It could even potentially kill the plant.
No good for Delaware's $8 billion ag industry, which employs more than 20,000 people.
Agriculture is a huge industry in Delaware. It employs a lot of people. It feeds a lot of people. Also, we have a big tourist industry, so we're having a lot of people coming in from other states. So that's kind of a dangerous combination.
He says right now the insect is mostly feeding on trees.
Stephen says the spotted lanternfly is attracted to this type of tree. It's called the tree of heaven and has a few distinguishing features.
They have a very long palm-like leaf. Okay, they're very kind of distinguishable from other trees that we have in Delaware. Also, they have a very smooth bark, and they have very large heart-shaped leaf scars.
The tree, which we located in Sussex County, is also not native to North America. It was introduced about 100 years ago.
So it's not a very desirable tree, but it's causing the spotted lanternfly to spread into new areas, and then when it gets close to a plant that we want to protect, like grapes or peaches and apples, then that becomes a problem.
They could also move from trees to different items outside your house, like outdoor furniture, grills, backpacks, etc. What you really don't want is the insects getting on your car, so then it's moved from one place to another. Stephen says if you're living in an area where you know the insect has been seen, do a quick vehicle inspection.
You're literally walking around the car, visually inspecting it for spotted lanternflies. They could be, clinging to the side of the car, the rear view mirror, hanging onto the bumper, things like that. They could actually be inside the car. So it's important that if you're parked somewhere where there's a lot of trees, make sure you roll your windows up, keep the spotted lanternfly from getting in.
And just so you know exactly what you're looking for,
right now, they're gonna be small, little bugs, 6 legs. Around now, they'll be turning red with white spots. In a few weeks, they'll turn into adults. So they'll actually look more like a moth, even though they're not. They're a plant hopper, but they're gonna have big wings, kind of like a moth, and they're gonna be gray with black spots.
So if you do see this insect, you have to act.
So number one, we ask that you contact the Delaware Department of Agriculture. If you're sure that it's a spotted lanternfly, we ask that you're always be crushing. ABC, remember your ABCs, always be crushing. If you can squish it, use a fly swatter, use your hand or a flip-flop, something like that. We want to limit this insect as much as possible.
It's also important to report the bug. You can also collect a specimen and turn it into the Delaware Department of Agriculture CAPS program.
If anybody thinks that they see a spotted lanternfly below the canal in Newcastle County, or in Kent County, or in Sussex County, please contact the Delaware Department of Agriculture. We have a few people working on this. We have about 6 eyes, but if we ask everybody in the state to keep a lookout, if you have a few thousand other eyes looking, it really makes a big impact.
Stephen says the time to look out for the spotted lanternfly goes from May to December, then they'll die off, but their eggs will remain alive for the next season.
And to find out more about exactly what parts of Delaware have a spotted lanternfly quarantine, we'll have a link posted on our website with this story.